In this video, I'm going to show you how to add comments in PDF XChange Editor. So this is actually super simple. First, I'm going to open up this comments panel over here on the left-hand side, just so we can see how I'm adding these. And then you want to go to the comment tab up top. Now here you have a bunch of different options how you can actually add comments. Now, all of these actually are comments you can add, okay? So let me show you. I can go to typewriter here and type in something like hello. And if I click out, as you can see, a new comment is going to get created and it's going to tell me exactly where it is. Now, I could also use these text boxes to actually type in something. Like for example, hey there we go, and as you can see, that's also working. I could use a call out, which basically is like a box which you can direct toward a specific item. So here, I'm just going to type in hey as well. There we go. I could do a sticky note, so you could draw a note, like click on here and then just add a sticky note. As you can see, just got added. You could also attach files, sounds, stuff like that. You can also just highlight text like this, for example, and this is also going to become a comment actually, to which you can basically reply, enter text, whatever. You could highlight areas, you could do free highlight, you could do whatever you want over here, and these are all going to be your comments. You can add that way, and then see over here on the left, you can reply to them like this. You can just type in something, hey, for example, like this, and of course you'll be able to then have it in here, and these are basically going to be the comments that are going to show on your PDF. If you're sending this to somebody, maybe like you're trying to give some feedback or something, that's kind of the best way to do it. So that's how you get it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.